Welcome to the future of structural manufacturing. This is the Beli Rollforming Whole Automatic Box Beam Rollforming Machine. Our journey begins with the precision coil car and powered Uncoiler, designed to quickly and safely load heavy steel coils, ensuring a continuous and efficient material supply. Now, witness the heart of the operation. Our robust roll-forming section expertly shapes the flat strip into precise C-sections, step by precise step. Key features include automatic adjustable roll-forming stands, allowing for quick dimension changes without manual roller adjustments. The high-quality, long-life rollers, driven by a powerful gearbox system, guarantee absolute forming accuracy. Finally, the built-in straightener ensures every piece is perfectly true before the next step. Speed and accuracy are paramount. The high-speed flying cutting device instantly slices the continuously formed C-section into exact lengths on the fly, maximizing throughput and eliminating bottlenecks. Next, the sophisticated transfer system takes over. The newly formed C-sections are swiftly and precisely moved from the cutting station. Watch as the machine automatically overturns one of the sections, ensuring perfect orientation. The system then utilizes the push rack to bring the two C-sections together, aligning them face-to-face with micron-level accuracy. This meticulous alignment is crucial. Once perfectly mated, the two components are seamlessly fed directly into the specialized seamer machine. This automation step guarantees consistent throughput and flawless preparation for the final welding process. Introducing the dedicated seamer machine. This specialized unit performs the critical function of joining the two C-sections, forming a strong, continuous, and structurally sound whole automatic box beam. This closed profile offers superior strength and torsional rigidity. The newly formed box beams are then quickly moved via conveyor to the final station, the advanced automatic welder, positioning them perfectly for connector attachment. A dedicated industrial robot takes center stage, carefully picking up and precisely positioning the finished whole automatic box beam on the welding jig, ensuring optimal placement for the next automated process. The newly seamed box beam now moves into the final automation phase, welding and finishing. Here, the integrated auto welder takes center stage. In a synchronized movement, the system automatically feeds and positions the two end connectors onto the beam. The advanced auto welding heads immediately engage, ensuring a perfect, structurally sound weld that meets the highest engineering standards. This precise, automated welding guarantees consistent quality, a vital safety feature of the whole automatic box beam roll-forming machine. But production doesn't stop there. While the next beam is being welded, the high-precision industrial robot simultaneously handles the already finished products. The robot carefully picks up the completed box beams and neatly stacks them onto pallets, ready for inventory or immediate shipment. This concurrent operation minimizes handling time and maximizes your operational output, ensuring you get the most efficient, fully automated solution from Beli Rollforming. The Beli Rollforming Whole Automatic Box Beam Rollforming Machine is an investment in unparalleled efficiency, dimensional accuracy, and minimized labor costs. From coil to a fully welded, stacked box beam, this single line represents the pinnacle of automated manufacturing. Ready to revolutionize your production line? Contact Beli Rollforming today to learn how our advanced technology can support your structural steel needs.